Meet the winners of OSF Digital's Agentforce competition. Join us as we celebrate the incredible innovation behind AI-powered agents created by our teams. The Manufacturing Concierge Agent, our first-place winner, is designed to streamline and automate key aspects of account management for manufacturers. The Sales Boost Agent, our second-place winner, is tailored to support sales teams with smarter pre-sales tools and actionable insights. Third place goes to the AI Admin Console, a game-changing suite of tools for Salesforce. The AI Admin Agent automates routine tasks, while the AI Code Inspector helps developers optimize and fix code quickly. The AI Chart Builder simplifies data visualization, turning complex information into clear, actionable insights. Alongside the winners, we also want to shine a spotlight on several standout solutions that showcased incredible innovation and creativity. This innovative beauty retail solution, powered by Agentforce, transforms the shopping journey with personalized features like product filtering, skincare recommendations, and easy event bookings. It's designed to meet diverse customer needs while boosting satisfaction and engagement. Next, we recognize an automotive solution focused on optimizing vehicle service management and insurance claims. This intelligent agent helps customers easily request services, find nearby workshops, and manage insurance claims after accidents. With a seamless integration into the Salesforce ecosystem, it ensures that vehicle owners have a smooth and efficient service experience. Introducing an AI-powered grocery assistant built with Agentforce that transforms the shopping experience. From helping customers find products in-store to suggesting recipes and tracking inventory in real time, this intelligent agent makes shopping smarter and more efficient. Congratulations to the winners of OSF Digital's Agentforce competition. Their innovative AI-driven agents are not just transforming industries, they're shaping the future of business. We're proud of their incredible work and excited for what's ahead.